cold out. And as the seasons change, winter and the holiday season are upon us, and we are excited because we've collaborated with Go Power and they have provided us their new slim 100 watt solar panels. We're gonna give Vinny an upgrade. We're gonna show you a little before and after the install, and we are excited because the days are shorter and we need more power. When you live in a van, space is at a premium. Same thing goes for an RV. You also have to have a lot of give and take and adjustment. One of those adjustments we had to make as we were going around for such a long time was, as you can see, we put up a storage unit. That storage unit, the only place we could put it was over half of the existing panel. That's why we're so excited to add additional panels to our current setup. As you may have noticed, we are not in the middle of nowhere like we normally bring you videos from. We are in a park. Why? Because the installer would not go to the middle of nowhere to install the panels. And as we go along, in the description below, I will give you the exact dimensions of these new panels. If I could get them out of the box. Whew, it's cold. For reference, I am 5'10" and a half, 5'11", so comes up to my shoulder. Very slim.
This is super exciting. And the installers are already here. They're looking at the panels and the dimensions and how to best put the brackets up there. And I just don't want to be in the way right now. They need to do that perfectly. I don't want to interfere, but I hope you can see.
Seems like they're having some difficulties. We may be missing some parts or have to need something, but I don't know, we'll keep you updated and fingers crossed that we can get this done today in the park.
But these are going to come over to there and create the last link on that. So those are going to be the last link that you have to be able to put it into there.
What if we use this panel's cables to connect here, and then one of them goes across to that panel, which then plugs into the...
I still don't have the connector for it.
As you can see, in true Armix Journey fashion, things are not going as planned. They're trying to figure it out. Apparently, we have some connector missing or some cabling problem. I'm not pretty sure what's going on there, but we have 3 guys trying to figure out this thing. We'll see. Fingers crossed and we can actually get this done.
In typical Armix Journey fashion, can't find all the cables, I guess, or we may be missing and need another cable. A little difficult to connect everything. We may end up having to connect just one. We'll see. We'll keep you updated. Fingers crossed we get to finish everything today. Whew. We are back in Vinny out of the cold and with a positive update. We have an installation. Woo! First and foremost, we got to get this out of the way because they're not sponsored in any way. However, thank you to Magic Touch Mobile RV Service out here serving the Charlotte and Shelby area in North Carolina. You guys were awesome. They came out and met us in the park, had everything installed and done, even with the head scratchers up top, within 2 hours, and it was awesome. Everything looks good, as you can see in these videos, which will be overlaid now, and we are extremely happy. Everything is charging, and we now are ready for winter. Well, as ready as we'll be. We're not very good with the cold.
The install, even with all of the headache of figuring out the wires, it was really, really fast.
Yeah.
It actually took only about 2 hours.
Yeah. Not even 2 hours.
So super efficient. They fit just perfectly. It's like they were actually made to fit in that space. Like there was no much wiggle room there.
If you're like us and you have minimal real estate, these slim panels are great. Definitely happy with the way they came out.